Afternoon, YouTubers. What's up? Believe it or not, this is a Victoranox knife. Advertising. Main blade is a little over 2 inches, like 2 1/4. So overall length on the whole thing is a little over 3, like 3 1/4. That little blade is just a hair over an inch, 1 1/4 or so. It is thin. It is sharp too. Pretty little knife, I thought. Gentleman's knife, what that is. Comes in handy though. Well, folks, thank you for looking. Have a good, safe weekend. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.